red notice lang. Para sa ICC.
Nalinis na yung DY.
Ano nyo na ICC?
Serious illegal detention yan. Red notice is not ano.
Red notice is supposed to be issued and only be issued based on a warrant of arrest, but there should be a copy of the warrant of arrest.
Anong klase pa ito sinusunod nila?
They can start using that. They can start using that.
Nakalak din yun.
What it is?
Nakalak din yun.
No, they can clean it back.
So, pwede ko na bakit. Tapos,